Love your daily cup of coffee? You're not alone. Over 2 billion cups are consumed every single day worldwide. But here's the real question. What is all that caffeine doing to your skin? Does it keep you looking youthful, or is it secretly speeding up aging? Let's find out. First stop, collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic. As we age, collagen naturally decreases, leading to sagging and wrinkles. Some research suggests that coffee extracts might actually boost collagen production. But here's the catch, most of these studies are small or done on animals, not humans. So while it's promising, we can't call coffee a miracle wrinkle fighter just yet. Now, let's talk hydration. Caffeine is a mild diuretic, meaning too much of it can dehydrate your body, and yes, that includes your skin. Dehydrated skin looks dull, tired, and older than it really is. But here's the fun twist. Some studies show coffee pulp extract, when applied or consumed properly, can improve skin elasticity, brightness, and moisture. So, the impact depends on how much you're drinking and in what form. Inflammation is another big player in skin aging. Moderate caffeine intake can actually help calm inflammation, thanks to the antioxidants and polyphenols in coffee and tea. These compounds protect against oxidative stress, the same process that breaks down collagen and accelerates wrinkles. So yes, that morning latte may actually be fighting off free radicals that damage your skin. Even more exciting, some studies suggest caffeine may slow biological aging and even boost DNA repair inside your cells. That means your daily brew could be doing more than just waking you up. It might be helping your skin bounce back from stress and damage. But remember, these findings are still early, and more human studies are needed to confirm the full picture. And it's a big but, too much caffeine flips the script. Over 400 milligrams a day, roughly 2 to 3 large cups of coffee, can lead to sleep problems, anxiety, dehydration, and yes, visible skin aging. Sleepless nights alone can trigger dark circles, fine lines, and breakouts, undoing any of the antioxidant benefits you're getting from coffee. So, what's the verdict? In moderation, caffeine can actually support healthy, youthful skin by boosting antioxidants, reducing inflammation, and maybe even helping with DNA repair. But when you overdo it, the dehydration, stress, and sleep loss will show up right on your face. The secret is balance. Enjoy your daily cup of coffee, but listen to your body, hydrate well, and keep it under 400 milligrams a day. Hit like, subscribe, and join us for more tips on skin, health, and wellness.